Welcome to Encore at Eastmark, an exclusive 55-plus active adult community in the growing Gateway area of Mesa, Arizona. This stunning move-in ready home is perfectly situated on a premium lot offering privacy and picturesque greenbelt views. Step inside to discover a thoughtfully designed great room split floor plan enhanced with lots of tile and brand new carpet. The spacious kitchen features an island with a breakfast bar, sleek granite slab countertops, 42-inch spiced maple cabinets with crown molding, and a stylish glass backsplash. The accent paint adds a warm, inviting touch. The large owner's suite boasts elegant tray ceilings, while the oversized secondary bedroom offers plenty of space for guests or hobbies. The laundry room includes additional cabinets. Step outside to your low-maintenance backyard, complete with a partial view fence and a covered patio, ideal for enjoying Arizona's beautiful evenings. Encore at Eastmark offers resort-style amenities, including a heated pool, tennis, bocce, and pickleball courts, making it easy to embrace an active and social lifestyle. This clean, move-in ready home awaits you. Welcome to the Encore lifestyle. Call the Klaus team for more information and a showing.